1 through 3, it's like whining. It's like the truck has a supercharger. Oh, buddy.
I mean, this whole magnet's covered in.
Yeah, that's not coming from the engine bay. That's coming from transmission. Alrighty. So I was trying to get it warm in here because it's freezing. It's really, really cool. Anyways, here's the deal. Here's the story. Here's the back story. Okay, so on my way down to the garage yesterday, honestly, now this is true because why wouldn't I tell you? So I wasn't hammering, I was just driving normal, and I noticed, you know, the shifts were a little hesitant, you know, like, man, it seems a little funky. It's like taking a while to get into gear, and it's slamming into gear, my truck. For those of you who don't know, I just posted an updated mod list, previous video. You can check it out after this video. We're running like 720-ish wheel horsepower. And the transmission is bone stock. I have never serviced it, which is an idiot move, I know. Yes, I know. The transmission 100% needs serviced, and we just went straight into 720 horsepower, and I understand that that is like the dumbest move you could possibly do, but here's where we're at. The shifts were off. They were super, like really, really hard into gear, and they were taking a long time to get into gear. So it was a delay, and then it was boom, like something's wrong. Now when these trucks are in their relearn procedure and they're tuned, and they're running a hotter tune, yes, they shift a little hard, but this was nothing like that. This was slam. So then I get to the garage, pull in, open the door, it's whining. The transmission's a full whine. It's like a supercharger whine. And it doesn't change when I go into gear. Nothing is grinding or clunking, it's just whining. In neutral, park, reverse, it's all the same sound. I rev the gas slowly, ease onto the gas, the whine gets, you can hear it. Then, go to put it in reverse, and it literally takes forever to get in reverse. Put it in reverse, you're waiting like 20 seconds. Sitting there, you know, like, uh-oh, this isn't good. Finally gets into reverse, and then it's like chattering in reverse. Not good. So, that's where we're at.
But let's see what happens when we go in reverse. All right, did you hear the idle? Okay, we're gonna go back. Right there, it just clicked in, but it's not chattering. We're cruising back. We have no chatter. I gotta run over it, Jack.
So, out of sheer act of desperation, desperado, as Rihanna would say, I'm gonna try to save the transmission. Now, how the heck am I gonna do that, you ask? I really don't know. Oh! Oh, buddy. Now that looks bad. That looks so bad. All right, now we got it. Guys, it stinks so bad.
It does not smell
Normal, but it's weird. It doesn't smell burnt either. It just smells bad. So there's the magnet. I don't see too much debris on there.
So there's for surely. I mean, this whole magnet's covered in slime. You can't feel it in your fingers. You can feel it on there. But is that normal? Is that normal for the first ever service? Because, you know, everything wears a little bit when it's all brand new. It kind of gets into position, but I don't know. I've never serviced one of these transmissions, obviously. But yeah, you would think the fluid would be a little more red than it is. But the magnet on the transmission pan, I would say that's somewhat normal for, you know, 86,000 miles first service. I'm gonna pull this filter real quick, just 3 bolts. Yep, there was a nice little bit on above that filter, so made a mess. Perfect. Cool, thanks. I let it drip long enough. We're putting this sucker back together. Okay, so I put some Chick-fil-A sauce on the O-ring. It goes up in there. Okay, there's a long bolt, 2 short ones. Long one goes up here. Now the torque spec on these is like not tight, like 97 inch-pounds, which is like nada. But this goes up through the valve body, so you're gonna want to make sure that you got these in right. But look at your boy, he's a torque wrench master. Okay, this ran into the next day because I didn't have a funnel to get it into the thing. So anyways, welcome to day 2 of grasping for straws on my transmission. Okay, so I got about 8 quarts out of the truck. I put 8 quarts back in. I got 10 total. I got two full ones still sitting over there, somewhere over there. 8 quarts went in. I started the truck and I put it in like drive, reverse, park, neutral, 1, 2, you know, for like 30 seconds of gear or whatever, how you do that procedure. Right off the bat, it immediately went into reverse, quick. Park to reverse, boom, flew right in. Before you seen that massive delay going into reverse. Look at my breath. It's that cold in here. If this fixed the problem, I'm gonna be surprised because honestly, like between me and you, between us, I thought it was smoked. I thought the transmission was done. Bad to the extent where you think fluid wouldn't be the cause of the problems that you're having. Yeah, there's not that weird sound. Alright, so watch this. So you know, remember what it was like before. Okay, so watch this. I'm gonna go right to reverse. Boom! Right into reverse. Dude, there's no way that fixed the problem. Alright, I've been letting the truck warm up outside because it's so cold. My breath isn't even warm anymore, that's how cold I am. Truck, currently, it's idling outside. It's going into gear fast. That's a good thing. Hopefully, we fix the problem. The moment has come. The time is now. The time is now, brother. Ready? Boom! Right in, right in. Okay, so that problem's officially solved. No more lag going in reverse. Maybe our plow guy here is trash. Sorry if you're watching this, but you gotta do a better job. I can't pull out. Rusty Red, I gotta park like literally at the front door because if I park them anywhere else, 2-wheel drive, get stuck in my own parking lot. Let's wait for the shift. Oh! Oh, dude! 3rd, 4th. Give me a 4th. Oh! Oh my Lord. Wow. Okay, 1st. 2nd. 3rd. Give me a 4th. 4th. Can I get a 5th? 5th? Oh, jeez. Oh, man. I will tell you. So save your typing, save your fingers from typing in the comments. I am an idiot. Idiot. We are just at the bottom of the crosshatch situation. I gotta add probably a half quart. I got the torpedo heater blowing literally right on me because I'm freezing. It's like 20 degrees. And I didn't light a fire today, which was stupid. All right, but anyways, I have 8.5 quarts into the truck. Now this is an absolute crazy. Let my stupidity be a lesson to all of you guys out there with a 6R140. Now these are very stout transmissions. Change your transmission fluid and your filter. Just do the whole thing. It's super easy. It was like $100 and it took a whopping like no time at all. 8.5 quarts is what I have back in. It puts us right in the middle of the deal at operating temperature, which is about 180. I was able to get the truck to 180 on the test drive. I think Ford calls for 150,000 miles for the initial transmission service. What? 150? Is that right? I don't know. I did a quick Google search. Let me know what the factory Ford recommendation is for transmission service, like fluid service, such as filter and oil fluid for the transmission. What do they call for? I seen 150,000 miles. That can't be. That's crazy. So this whole time we've been running 700 and whatever horsepower, we've been running it on terrible transmission fluid. So remember I said the transmission slipped a little while ago. That was the 3 to 4 shift. It slipped between 3 to 4. Now it might not do that. Now we got to go send it. But all right, I'm getting out of here because I'm freezing. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay warm. So what I have in my nifty box is a new filter. It's a transmission filter. Yeah, I know it looks funky. This doesn't look like a transmission filter. Actually, I don't know what a transmission filter looks like. And I got the Mercon LV for Las Vegas.